the syntax of what string slicing with the step, right? In the previous video, we have discussed about string slicing only, but in this video, we will discuss about string slicing with the step, right? So this is the Python word. We have represented by the indexing value, right? Python, and P is 0. So now we will use suppose x is equal to Python, right? So you will understand easily, right? So print, we will use the x, right? Then after we will use the what? Suppose no starting index, no stop index, and we will use the with the step 2, right? Suppose we will give the one step. So one step is the default, right? We will start from 2. So it will select what? The so PTO. It means that it will select a gap of one element. Suppose it will start from P, then it will select P, then it will ignore what? Y, and then will select what? T, right? So we have print the T, and then after H will ignore, and it will print what? O. So this is what we call as a string slicing with the step, right? So we can print like that print. We have so examples, right? So suppose we want to give the one starting index, no end index. So now we will print on the screen, it will give the Y only, right? It means that it will start from what? Y, then T will ignore, and H, it will finish the program, right? So that is why it will print the Y only on the screen. So this is all about the what we call as a string slicing with the step, right? So there are many examples you can do that. So one is a starting index, then we will use the end indexing is 10, then we will use the 3 step, right? So what we will have? YO, right? So YO means that it will start from Y. So this is the Y, right? So this is the Y. Will start from the Y, and then it will finish the 10, and stop indexing is 10, right? And step is 3. Y will select, then after it will ignore T and H, then it will select the O.